Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Granny 3 Enhanced on your mobile device. This special version of the popular horror game brings new features, improved graphics, and more challenging gameplay. Since it's not an official release, finding and installing it requires a few specific steps. We'll guide you through the process to get this exciting experience running smoothly on your phone or tablet. To begin, you'll need to locate the game files. The enhanced version of Granny 3 is typically distributed as a modified application package, often referred to as an APK for Android devices. You'll want to search for reputable third-party websites that offer these downloads. Remember to always exercise caution and verify the source to ensure a safe download experience for your mobile device. Once you have the game file, installation varies slightly by device. For Android users, simply download the APK and enable installation from unknown sources in your settings. If you're on an iOS device, you might need to adjust settings like background app refresh and disable low power mode. Always follow any specific on-screen instructions or video tutorials provided by your download source for a successful setup. For the best gameplay experience, ensure your mobile device has at least 1 GB of free storage. A stable internet connection is also beneficial for any potential updates or additional content. While touch controls are available, consider using a compatible Bluetooth mobile controller for improved precision and a more immersive experience. Enjoy exploring the enhanced horrors of Granny 3.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.